everyone. Today we are going to see about the topic star schema versus Snowflake schema. Myself, I am Aishwarya from BE Computer Science, third year. Let's move on to the topic. Before entering into the difference between star schema and Snowflake schema, first of all, we want to know about what is star schema and what is Snowflake schema. Star schema is a simplified schema. It is central fact table surrounded by dimension table. It's designed for fast query performance but can lead to data redundancy. Snowflake schema. It is a more normalized schema with dimension tables further divided into subtables. It reduces data redundancy but can result in more complex queries. Now we can move into the differences between star schema and Snowflake schema. In star schema, it has a less easy to maintain and use the redundant data. It is less complex query and users can easily understand. It does not have any parent table. It uses less number of foreign keys. So it has a less query execution time. It is in the format of denormalized table. It can transfer the data in a one-to-one and one-to-many format. It has a fewer number of joins which connect the data. It contains only a single dimension table for each dimension. It contains a less number of rows, so we can easily store limited number of data. This is the main diagram for star schema. In central, we have a fact table. From that fact table, we have a lot of dimension table. We can move into the example. In fact table, we have a revenue as a name. From that revenue, we have a dimension table as dealer ID, date dimension, branch dimension, and product. This is all about star schema. Now we can move into the Snowflake schema. Snowflake schema, it does not use any redundant data and it is more easy to maintain and change. It have a more complex queries so users can difficult to understand. It mainly depends on a parent table. It uses more foreign keys and it has a more query execution time. It is in the normalized table format. The data transformation between the data are in a many to many format in a multiple line. It has a multiple joins which connects dimension table and also subdimension tables. It has a more than one dimensional table. It mainly depends on fact table. It stores a huge number of rows with redundant data and it does not have any space issues. Therefore, it can store a Snowflake schema in a major row. This is the basic structure for Snowflake schema. In central, we have a fact table as like a star schema. From that fact table, we have a lot of dimensional table. This is the common difference between star schema and Snowflake schema. For example, in fact table, we have a revenue. In dimensional table, we have a dealer, product, data dimension, and branch dimension. As a type sub-dimensional table, we have a location and country is divided from dealer and variant is divided from the product. This is all about Snowflake schema and star schema. Thank you.